second one because of 9 to 5.
Okay, wait.
Ma'am, reattempt the test.
Sometimes we speak while children. I want to. Yeah, something you're asking. Who is asking calling just now?
Ma'am, I think Jayat is saying that again you kept no.
No, Raghav is calling. Raghav, what's your
Yeah, yes.
about Raghav?
Ma'am, actually, you kept the test 2 times, ma'am. The first time, there is actually a puja at our house, ma'am. So I opened that test, ma'am, to write it. But shortly after that, the puja started. So I left the test in the middle, ma'am.
Okay.
And the next time when I came, when I clicked the test, I was surprised that my answers weren't saved. And I didn't know that it was the second test, and I attempted that, ma'am. So
Okay, we'll see. Don't worry, children. My intention is my students are able to write the test, complete the class or not. Any difficulties they're facing, we have to discuss those things in the classroom right now. That is only the thing, children, because I'm not going to make you struggle because the part, whatever the questions I'm giving, whether you are able to do, or else I can do some other back work with you. Because most of the students I feel difficult in algebraic expressions. I don't know where they're facing difficulties. I once again will go with the topics and the congruence of triangles. So shall we start congruence or algebraic expressions? Can we go, children?
ma'am,
We can go with ma'am. You told that today we start like integers and algebraic.
Like, can you discuss for people?
Can you discuss?
We can cover with rational numbers because rational numbers, fractions and decimals and integers we will also cover that.
Okay, let me see, children, first of all.
Ma'am, like in the exam, actually one question I kept the correct answer, but it came another, ma'am.
No, children, everything.
Ma'am, in the test, I actually got all the answers correct, ma'am. So can you please consider the latest one which I got?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, now you have to see, children. This is, I think, so these are the tests we wrote on Sunday, I think. What is the
coefficient? Yes, ma'am. This is.
Please, children, quietly, you be quiet so that I can revise all the questions quickly. Then we can start one more new topic. Please, okay? Yeah, what is coefficient of x in the expression y square x plus y? So, x coefficient means y square, children. Why? Because here only one term having x, another term having no x term, only one term. In that one term, you just leave x and whatever the extra part you have in that, that's your coefficient of x. So it's y square. Obviously, the y square is the answer. Option A is correct. What is the coefficient of x in the expression? Coefficient means expression 2z minus 3xz. It's really x coefficient you need to find out, children. To find out x coefficient, we have.
Ma'am, like I'm not able to understand like these questions, ma'am.
Why? Where is your doubt? Let me check. Let me do.
Ma'am, like I'm not able to find.
3z minus 3z minus 2z minus 3xyz. 2z minus 3xyz. 2z minus 2z minus 3y
XZ.
3xz kada nana?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you need to find the value of x coefficient. X coefficient here no x term, so we can't consider. You just leave this. Come to this x coefficient. You need to find out x coefficient. What is left with after you just remove x and what you have left over part?
Minus 3z.
Minus 3z.
Minus sign is our parent. Sign is, don't forget your signs. Minus 3z is the answer. Hope you understand, Jait, here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next part. You just, what is coefficient of x in the expression? This is again wonderful question, children. Expression here, the most of the students by seeing only they will put 1, but it is wrong. 1 is wrong.
It is 1 plus z.
Yes, 1 plus z.
1 plus z. Very good.
And because when we'll remove 2 times x, so it is remaining 1 plus z.
Yeah, that's what also I will write on screen. That's why. Children, here the question is 1 plus x plus. What is other thing, ma?
1
X
plus
Z,
x plus
X Z,
x z.
X plus?
X Z, X Z.
No, ma'am, x plus z it is, I think so.
No, 1 plus X plus X Z.
Yeah, that's it.
Not AX, ma'am, X Z.
In these two terms, this is no x, so you just leave. I'm taking x outside. I'm taking x outside from these two terms. So if I x I'm taking outside,
And
what
2x, x square.
1, because x into 1 x we can write here x if I'm removing what value you have? Z value. So x coefficient means remove x and the rest of the part is your coefficient. Hope you got this, children. Next one. Yeah, what is coefficient of x? Here also x you take outside, Nana, bracket outside.
And the answer will come as 2 plus y square.
Directly to the questions, ma'am, like in which we had.
Ma'am,
Right.
is the answer 2 plus y square?
Correct? You are correct. Next, children. Right. Please mute your mic, Nana. Mute your
Yes, ma'am, 1 minute.
Ma'am, is this answer?
Ma'am, minus x, sorry, minus x.
Yeah, yes, correct. Mute yourself, children, because y square coefficient, the first term is constant coefficient, we can't do. So go with the second term. In second term, you just leave y and what is minus x. Minus x is your answer. Coming to the third part, what is coefficient of y square in the expression 3y square plus
Ma'am, 3, ma'am, 3.
right? What is coefficient of y square in the expression?
Ma'am, this
5
one
minus 10x. 5 minus 10x.
Minus 10x plus 5 or 5 minus 10x. Very good.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the, ma'am, in the, yes, ma'am.
7th bit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait, I'll help you. Yeah, you see, children, in this question, what is coefficient of y square? So first term, you have 2x square y. So y square is not there, so we should not consider this.
Yes,
Go
ma'am.
to the second term, minus 10xy square. In that, what is y? If you just leave what you have, minus 10x. And in third term, plus 5y square.
Ma'am,
If you leave y square, plus 5, that's all. This can be rewrite as 5 minus 10x. Why? Because we can order change. We can write and both are same, children. If you change order, but in option is given second one. This option is given, so go with this.
yes, ma'am.
Next one.
Ma'am, what is the extension? Okay, ma'am.
What is coefficient of x in the expression x cube plus?
No x in this, right?
I think
No,
so. B.
Yeah,
0, 0, ma'am. The answer is 0.
Very good, very good. Who said 0 is correct?
Ma'am, Raghav.
Raghav, why it is 0? Can you please help others?
Ma'am, because there is no x in this expression, right? So we should
Very
write-
good. There is no x in this expression. There is no x here. Only x cube is there, x square is there, but no x. So we can write it as 0 into x, right? Children, 0 is the
answer.
Then in the next one is also 0.
very good. Which of the following pairs of terms is pair of like terms?
Z square Z. Z square and Z.
No, ma'am, 1 and 10.
No, 1 and 10.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
because Z square and Z, because Z has like Z square and Z are both different because Z square has Z and Z has only one square.
Any
Very good.
numerical which has any two numericals which have the power as 1 are called as like terms.
Not only power, Raghav, power should be uniform. It should be, suppose x square means
Ma'am,
in
it can be either negative or positive also, it doesn't matter.
next one. Yeah, next question quickly. we
I
will
have no doubts in this, ma'am.
Yeah, next, what is the coefficient of x square 0? Okay, which of the following terms are like 1 and 10? Which of the following pairs are like terms? Here also you
Ma'am,
just
first one, I think so. First one.
7xy, 14yx, but just only changing the order, children. You just see here x coefficient is 1 power, 1 power. Here y2, 1 and 1. Both are like. Very good. Coming to others, this is variable is x, here it is variable is y, so that it is unlike. Next part is m square p and mp square. Here p variable is p power is 1, p square, both are not same, so those are not like. Like that you have to reach, okay, 6xyz minus 12x square z square. So here the x variable is 1 and 2 here, so it's not like term. So like that you have to check, and do the part. Next one.
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, minus xy square and minus 2xy square.
Minus
and like-
2x square is the answer.
Ma'am, you
Okay.
can see the question also.
Yeah. By seeing only you can answer these questions, children. Which of the following pairs of like terms are so okay? These are also similar. Which of the following is a pair of terms is like you can do easily? What are like here, children? First one or second one or third one? I think the second one. Right? In
Yes, ma'am,
question
second
number
one.
B.
Second one.
Second one.
Second one, ma'am, B.
B actually is correct. Coming to 14, which of the following pairs are
Unlike terms.
unlike? Unlike means not same. First one
Ma'am,
is
last
same.
one. Sorry, ma'am. Last.
Correct only. Last one you are correct. Correct, children. Because x square here x y square. It's not same.
This one 0, ma'am, 0.
Okay, let me check. 8mn plus
And
2mn.
because 8 plus 2, 10 and minus 6
Minus
and
6.
minus 2.
I think
Right.
it's
Yeah, 0 children. Why?
zero.
Because
Yes, ma'am. 0.
just see
Ma'am,
minus
minus 4 minus 6 minus 10. 2 plus 8 10. 10 minus 10 0.
yes, these two together 10. These two together minus 10.
10.
Both are 0. Next one.
And this is
Add a plus b minus 1. A plus b minus 1 plus b minus a plus 1 plus 1 minus 2b. So minus a plus a get cancelled, children.
ma'am, plus b and minus sorry. Yes, ma'am.
Plus b, 2b and minus 2b get cancelled.
Ma'am, so 1 plus 1. Yes, ma'am. So answer is 1.
Right, children. Which option is correct here? Option A is correct. Next,
Ma'am, this
coming
is ma'am, this is
minus 2b plus 18 by c.
and we can write minus 6 by 19 by 18 by 9.
You just replace b and c with the 3 and 9, children. So minus 2 into 3 plus 18 divided by 9. So 9 ones are 9 twos are. So this
And
is
then minus 6 and 2, minus 6 into 2, minus 12.
minus 4 kada nana?
Sorry, minus 4, yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, I thought it is into.
Next one you see, children, it is again distributive property, children. Please observe carefully what I'm doing. 9a plus 6b. Here a is given as 3 and b is given as 4. You just place it 9a means 9 into a, 9 threes are 6 into B means 6 fours are 9 threes are 27.
6 fours are 24.
24. Just please combine and simplify, children.
I'm 24 plus 27. I'm 153 is the answer. 1 minute. 3 into 51.
Yes, correct. Correct, ma. You are correct.
3 5 are 15, 3 1 are 3.
Next one, P by 3 minus P
Plus 9Q.
minus Q. Just replace the values, children. It's one of the tasks. Next,
Ma'am, I think it is easy, ma'am. So,
yeah, 9 by 3 minus 6 plus, because I'm continuously revising, also students are doing mistake in this. 3 3s are 3 minus 6 plus 9 8s are how much, Nana? 72.
yes, ma'am. So the answer will be like minus 3, 72 minus 3, 69.
Yes, correct, Nana. Option A is correct. This is also similar, but the sign is negative in before bracket. Mother is minus 2 here. Inside bracket.
Are you put there 75, ma'am?
What, ma? Which bit you are not getting?
Ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
Okay. Next, come to the next part, children. Plus 5y. What is y is 4? W
W
is
is 5.
just replace with the values of minus 6 plus 3 into 5. 3 5s are
We
15.
can write directly 15.
5 4s are 20.
20.
Yes, minus
Ma'am, 15 minus 6,
9.
9.
9. 9, children.
Yes, ma'am, that's what plus 20 I'm doing.
Plus 18 plus 20 gives plus 2. Again, it is integers only. The next one, you see 21. Question number 21.
Ma'am, can I say how I did?
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, like E is equal to 12, 12 divided by 3 and 5 by 1 minus 12 by 3 minus 7F means 7 into 5 is equal to 35, 35 by 1.
Come on. 3 ones are 3.
Yes, ma'am. So,
We can simplify minus y minus yes, ma'am. That's it. We'll get the answer.
5 minus 39 gives
ma'am, 5 minus
Minus 34.
minus 30.
Yes, ma'am. Minus 34.
Yes, ma'am.
Same like that, children. Minus, minus 7a plus
That's 3b.
where is b value is how much?
B is
children?
9 and a is 6.
Right. Substitute in that.
Ma'am, minus 6 minus 42 plus 8, 27. Ma'am, it is minus 42, ma'am.
Yes, Nana, correct.
Plus 27. Ma'am, so 27 minus 42.
It's
Into,
nothing but
minus
27, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Means 15 minus 15.
minus 6 minus
Negative multiplied with negative, what happens to the negative?
positive. Positive.
Yes.
It is 90.
Right, children.
I'm no need of this much questions from you. Explain me.
Okay, right, children. The same way we supposed to go. Because this practice, if you are perfect, children, whatever the questions, you can easily solve it. Because simplification part only children are facing difficulties. Once you are able to do this, you can go with factorization also more and more easy.
Can we start a new lesson?
Yes, children, shall we go with new chapter or else any doubt? Someone is asking, ma'am, somewhere doubt. Let me check. Srishti,
Ma'am,
which
which
chapter?
new lesson? Ma'am, which lesson will we do?
Children, you see it directly 33 question, 30 question, please. Question number.
Doubt got clarified, ma'am.
Minus one.
Minus one, ma'am, minus one. Because even times,
Odd
even
times,
times,
Nana. Odd.
Ma'am,
even
number
times
that is
it's minus
multiplied
one.
by the odd number of
Start
times
minus
is
one.
negative.
Right, go hit. Right.
Ma'am, it's minus 70, minus 20, minus.
Ma'am,
Which
which
question
lesson
writing?
are we gonna start?
Srishti,
minus one.
your doubt 34th question.
Yes, ma'am.
See, Srishti, it's also very simple. In a test, plus 4 marks awarded for correct answer, minus 1 mark awarded for wrong answer. Correct answer is plus 4, wrong answer is minus
Ma'am,
1.
can I explain this?
Ma'am, can I tell Ma'am Raghav?
Ma'am, can I, ma'am?
Wait, children, I'll help them. Wait. Here, what is according to the given question? Student score 40 marks. Student score is 40 marks.
40 marks.
If his correct answers were 11, correct answers 11 means 11 into how many cover each correct answer he scored 4.
Ma'am,
Plus
4
4
marks.
marks,
11
ma'am.
to 4,
Ma'am, so
44.
11 into 44 plus
what number we don't know this, how many incorrect questions.
plus x, ma'am.
But incorrect questions they scored as minus 1, right?
Minus x, Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus x.
44 minus W equal to 40.
Ma'am, 4.
Minus 4. Here both sides negative. W is how many wrong questions they did?
Ma'am, I did in a different way.
About anything you will get the same answer. Okay, right?
Yes,
Can you please help other method also for the students?
Ma'am, how I did was, ma'am, 11 into 4 is 44.
Yes.
So, ma'am, for the marks scored by the student is 40. So, 40 minus 44 is 4. It is
Minus 4.
simple.
Okay, right. Ma. Next part. It is since both are negative numbers means you have to add and keep the same sign.
Ma'am, there are different signs here. Oh, yeah, ma'am, just same. So, you have to add them.
Very good. Next
And
one.
so we can 18
Minus 18.
24, minus 24, ma'am.
Minus
minus 24, ma'am. 18 plus 6 is equals to 24 and minus symbol minus 24.
Right. Very simple. So minus of
And
minus.
minus 4, it will be 10, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Minus-
minus of minus
We
is
need not solve the previous problem, ma'am, because all the three options
10,
were
ma'am.
lesser than 18 only.
Okay. So that is minus 5.
Minus 2.
Ma'am, minus 2, ma'am.
Minus 2.
Right, Nana. Some boy is which is not an integer.
Minus 1 by 2 is not.
Ma'am, minus 1 by 2.
Nana, fractional forms will not come under integers, Nana. That's why it is wrong.
Yes, ma'am. Fractions and decimals are not integers.
Yes. The next multiple here, what is this? Minus 39 plus minus 24
No, it's not minus 39.
plus, okay, right, sorry. It's minus 15. 39 minus 24. 39 minus 24.
9 minus 24, it will be 15 minus 15. 0. Answer is 0.
This is also determine the sign of the, only they're asking about the sign, children.
Ma'am,
No need of-
here we should.
Ma'am, we have to count the
Ma'am, all the
numbers.
positive numbers are already positive.
One,
We should
two,
count the
three,
number of negative
five,
numbers,
six,
ma'am.
seven.
One,
And 7 negative numbers are
That
there.
is negative.
seven, the answer will be negative only. Negative,
Yes, ma'am.
negative only.
Yes, children, in question there are
Ma'am,
7.
if there are odd number of negative numbers, then it will be negative. If there are even number of negative numbers, it will be positive.
Very good. That's all, children. This is
Give the rational numbers now.
rational numbers. Shall we discuss rational numbers too?
Yes, ma'am. Quiz.
Okay. No, discussion part only, children. Give some tough questions I will give in rational numbers because integers are perfect.
And we can give quizzes, right, ma'am? It will be more.
quizzes, through quizzes you will
No,
do
ma'am, no quizzes, please, ma'am.
some
No,
part
quizzes
of,
is fun.
listen, some part of concept should be taught regularly, because even I am also little busy. I'm not taking continuous classes. Whenever we are getting time, we can use some part of concept should be learned, children. And which concept we should go with today?
Congruence of triangles.
You want congruence of triangles. So what is the meaning of congruence and similar, children? Similar word and congruence. Similar is one word.
Ma'am,
Sorry.
like same.
Similar, similar, and congruence. What is the meaning? Please check in your you have some dictionary. Please, what is the
Same.
no? What is the difference between similar and congruence? Please let me know, children.
No, similar means like same, ma'am, and congruent means like different.
No.
Ma'am, are they both synonyms?
Yes, yes, of course you are correct. Of course you are correct. In your way of thinking, you are correct. Absolutely correct. Similar means a shape. Suppose whatever shape and size should be similar, equal. But in congruence, suppose
I think we did not complete this.
topic, we didn't start, only just I'm giving to you, children. Especially in congruence of triangles, we need to learn definition of congruence of shapes. First, it is very, very important, children, because new word introduced in this class, congruence. You need to understand what is congruence, first of all. Defining congruency of shapes. Next, not only this, children, we will discuss in this chapter. What are different geometrical shapes like line segments, angles, quadrilaterals, circles, and explaining about the congruency of geometrical shapes. What are congruent to each other? What are non-congruent to each other? And different shapes, as before I said, like line segments, lines, angles, segments, quadrilateral, circles. But especially in this chapter, we are going to discuss more about congruency of triangles. That's why the chapter name included with congruence of triangles.
Ma'am, types of, ma'am, like how can we like prove it is congruent or not?
Very good. So criteria for congruence, there are different criteria, children. Side congruence.
Ma'am, there are different rules.
Side angle, yes, yes. Tripless congruence, yes.
Ma'am, SSS.
Ma'am, SS, ma'am, ASA, RHS.
SS.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, ASA, ma'am, RHS.
RHS. Ma'am, even AA will be also.
LHS. Ma'am, LHS.
Hey, no LHS.
I'm sorry.
Children, listen, children. No need of speaking. Please listen first. These are 4 important congruence we will discuss in this class. And coming to if you are subject with the triangles and its congruences, when you are going to class 8, you will get there as more about this, and not only this quadrilaterals also you will get, children. Congruences, how we are going to, because very interesting chapter. First, let me take what are congruence. Suppose 2 coins, if you take 2 coins, 1 rupee coins, is these 2 coins are congruent? Means is are in same shape and same size, one covers exactly other coin, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose if you take 10 rupee note, you take 2 10 rupees note, is 2 10 rupees notes are congruent to each other? If you place one upon another, is it visible second one? No, it is.
If we take same type of notes, it is congruence.
So then what we can say here, the word identical in the shape and size. Can we use the word identical? Right, children? Identical shape and size. What is identical shape and size is called a congruence. A very, very important point. Children, please remember. I will take a big screen because I don't want right now the other part. Okay. Our next new topic is congruence of triangles. Congruence అంటేనే కాయిన్స్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నాను. Congruence of triangles. Congruence of triangles. Suppose if you take what are two figures or objects are said to be congruent. When we will say as congruent figures or congruent objects, when they are identical in shape and size, Nana. When we are saying as congruence to each other means identical shape and size. What is identical? Identical shape and size. Very, very, very important. Shape and size. Identical means same shape and same size. Then we call it as those two objects are congruent to each other. So the best example, children, I will take 1 rupee coins. 1 rupee coin, if I place two coins one upon other, we can't visible the other. That means those are same shape and same size. They will completely coincide. If you place each other, they will completely coincide. Not only the coins, children, if you take a similar stamps or similar rupee coins or similar rupee coins, place them over each other, you will find that they will completely coincide. Coincide means they will completely cover. Yes, if any part is left over, children, if you take two 10 rupees notes and place on each other, is it any left? You are going to see like two things are visible? No, because both are similar shape and similar size, so that one completely covers the others. So one completely covers the others. That means one completely coincides the others. Then we can say that those two coins are congruent to each other. If I am taking like a 10 rupee coin and a 5 rupee coin, is these two coins are congruent to each other, children?
It will be some difference because some big 2 rupees coin.
Size, diameters are different because 10 rupee coin is bigger, right, than 5 rupee coin. So that those are not congruent to each other. That means you have to take same. Suppose 5 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin. So if you place one on the other, means it will coincide exactly. That means the same identical shape and size. Then we can say that two objects or two things are in congruent to each other. Congruent to each other. I hope you understand, children, my point.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. If you know this word, you can do this chapter completely. The symbol for
Ma'am, could you give
congruent.
some sums?
Children, the symbol for congruence is like sleeping. Yes, this is the symbol for congruence. This is the symbol for congruence. Yes, children, you understand what is the symbol for denoted with the symbol small sleeping yes, and equal symbol. This is the congruent symbol. If you see anywhere in your textbooks, the symbol means what you can understand. Given two figures are congruent to each other. That means they are having same size and same shape. Now let me go with some line segments. Suppose I am drawing the line segment AB, another line segment CD.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Raghav,
Ma'am, if it is not congruent, ma'am, then what is its symbol?
we just mentioned non-congruent. We can't do like a not
Now
equal.
we can keep, ma'am, yes, ma'am, we can keep that.
No, we can't keep like that. We can write in words. Those are not congruent to each
I'm
other.
not equal symbol we can cut. We can't keep.
Not congruent to each other. We didn't have such a symbol, Nana. Only congruent symbol is there. This is congruent symbol. Non-congruent means we will write in words. Those are not congruent to each other. Right, I hope you understand, children. Now coming to line segments. Suppose line segment, congruence of line segments. When we will say that two line segments are congruent? Yes.
When their rays fall.
Ma'am, when they have the equal length.
Very good. When they're having equal length, wonderful. Yes. If you place on the other, both lines should be coincidence, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we say here, because this, of course, this length is 7 centimeters. This length is also 7 centimeters. Can I write like that? AB, length AB is congruent to CD.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. But CD is a bit
Yes, ma'am.
shorter than AP. right?
No, just it's a picture. It is there, children. Just I just wrote measures. You see. Next
Ma'am
one.
can't draw exact, right? So yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Next one, the same way like angles also. Like how is taking for line segments? Congruence of angles. Congruence of angles.
Ma'am, same angles. Same
Very
angles.
good. Suppose,
The measure of the same.
suppose if I'm taking like a MNO, MNO, which is two angles. I'm taking another angle
The
as
angle should be same.
PQR. PQR. Here, if this angle is nothing but, suppose you can take it as 30 degrees and other two as 30 degrees, means can we write it as a angle MNO is congruent to angle
Yes, ma'am, you can.
PQR.
PQR. That's why children don't confuse this. We will use this everything in our sometimes we can write M. M means what is M, children? Here, measure of. M means measure. Don't panic, ma'am. Some letter M is happened. I don't know what is that M. Don't need of panic. M means measure of angle M and O is congruent to measure of angle PQR. M means measure. This is about the second part, children. Coming to the third part, congruence of quadrilaterals. Suppose if I'm taking the quadrilateral like A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, and another triangle like quadrilateral like E, F, G, H. If you see here, but of course it is a similar figures. Children, I'm taking little sizes variant, but of course these are identical figures, almost similar size and shape. Don't think ma'am is taking little bigger and little small. Both are identical. This angle is nothing but this angle, and this angle is nothing but this angle, and this part of angle is nothing but this part of angle, and here this angle is nothing but four sides. This is nothing but angle C is nothing but angle J. If it is given like that, how are we supposed to write, children? A quadrilateral ABCD is congruent to a quadrilateral EF,
Ma'am,
GH.
shouldn't you write FCHG?
Sorry, this is E. If you take F, this one EF, GH, no. If I'm taking 1 minute, children, I need to.
EFHG.
Yeah, 1 minute. I have somewhere change this patterns. Suppose this is angle is here too. Okay. This is same as this. So this is a triangle is same as here. Yes. Which one we can write here? B. So A, B, C, D is congruent.
Ma'am, then EF,
GH.
GH, yes, ma'am.
Right, children. EF, GH. We can, yes, you have to see exactly, children. Don't write as we like. We have to see, suppose angle A, which is similar to E. Angle B, which is similar to F. Angle C, which is similar to C. Angle D, which is similar to H. Like that, you need to see carefully and write. These are the ways we can write, children. There are different types of congruences we have. Before going to that, you suppose if your two squares are said to be congruent, when you are going to say two squares are congruent to each other, children, identical size and shape, then we can call it as two squares are congruent. Same way rectangles, such as same way circles. Now let me take with congruence of triangles. This is our original topic, children. Congruence of triangles. Just before what I gave is everything is your basic part, congruence of triangles. In this class, you are learning about triangles, and next class you will learn about quadrilaterals, and then when you are going to class 10, you will learn about congruence of circles too, children. This will 1 year, every year you will learn one thing, one shape of congruence. Suppose congruence of triangles. If two triangles are congruent to each other, suppose I'm drawing a triangle A, B, C. A, B, C. Another triangle I'm taking as D, E, F. When we are saying both are congruent, children, suppose angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle F. This is which congruence, children? If all sides, all angles are equal, means
Congruence of angle.
very good. Congruence of angle.
Congruence of triangles.
Suppose this side is similar to this side, and this side is similar to this side, and this side is similar to this side. What type of
Congruence of
Congruence
lines.
of line segment.
congruence of sides? Sides means we can take it here. Sides means all sides are congruent. Yes. Triple S congruence. Triple S congruence. Like that, let me give. There are different congruence we have, children. We will go with start with first one. What criteria we can follow here to find out congruency of triangles. First, we have yes, triple S criterion, side criterion. And what is side criterion? Let me.
All sides, ma'am. Means,
Yes means
assessments, this line segments will.
Ma'am, side.
side. Very good, Dana. Suppose I'm drawing triangles here, children. Just examples I'm taking. This is 5.5 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters. This is 4.5 centimeters. This is, suppose, of course, it is ABC triangle. And another triangle I'm taking as DEF. Another triangle I'm taking as DEF. When we will say all side congruent, suppose AB is how much length is there? Same length if DE is having. Suppose the length is 4.5, either this side or the bed, whatever the side. So we can take it as centimeters. And if it is 5.5 centimeters, not only same, you can even rotate, you can 4 centimeters. Is this what type of triangles, children? Which congruence criteria will satisfied here?
Ma'am?
Which?
SSS side, ma'am, side.
Very good. Side congruence. So we can write the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Which congruence by why? What we are saying? Which criteria?
Ma'am, SSS.
Yes. That means side criterion of congruency is satisfied here. This is first part, children. Suppose sometimes the question is given like that. 1 minute, the same question. 1 minute, children. The measures are given like that. The measures are given like that. 4.5 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Or else you can take this as 4 centimeters. And this you can take it as 5.5 centimeters. Now, which two triangles are congruent? Please tell, children. Suppose left side, obviously we can take, if any triangle, if you take A, B, C is congruent to AB length 4.5. Where you have 4.5 length?
Yes.
DF
F.
5.5. No, we can start from then. No, DF is also not true. Who will say?
Ma'am.
FD.
FDE.
Is it true, children? FDE is true,
Yes,
please.
ma'am. Ma'am, yes, ma'am. FDE.
FD. FD means 4.5. Here AB means D means FDE. DE is how much, children? 5.
5.5.
So which is congruent to BC? Yes, correct, children. FDE. Why I'm taking FDE here, children? Because the second figure is
BC.
tilted.
Okay,
Tilted.
ma'am, 4.5 and this side is 4 and 5.5.
So which congruence we can use here? Triplets congruence.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, like that. If the figure is slightly tilted, also no need to worry, children. You just see the measures of the sides. Which one? The first triangle, how we have to write the order and the length. Same way, second triangle also you're supposed to name. Like that only you can write. It's not your wish to like A, B, C and D, E, F are congruent. Whatever the sides should follow the rule. Each next one coming to the next part. Because I want to teach many congruences at a day, children, we will go with the 2-3 classes because this is a little dry concept and important. Triple S congruence today, you please go and come with tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Discuss SAS congruence. And yes, what's time right now, children? I think 6:50.
So like 6:52.
And we go with the triplets congruence. So some small quiz on this, children.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We'll
Yeah, we will go with that because
Only can you keep the basic part?
okay, basic part also I will give, children. Only triplets congruence today I will test because I won't teach other congruences. Even few students. Let's just a minute.